Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lina Maf'ula. I want to show you how to make flower from plastic shopping bag. The tools and the materials are plastic shopping bag. I used the red color, and there are five pieces, and then keyboards that have cut on the top here, and then scissors and raffia. I use green color, and saving thread I use the white, and glue, and then fast I use unused glass and small stone, and then matches. Okay, the first step is take 5 pieces of plastic shopping bag and then fold like this. Okay, we can cut for this. Like this. And then take a skewer and put the plastic shopping bag in the skewer that we have cut on the top a little. Like this, you can see. And then take a saving thread and thread here. And after that, after thread the skewer, cut in the edges with scissors like this. Like this. After that, pull the plastic shopping bag until it like a flower shape. Like this. Okay. The next step is take a raffia. Do like I did. Fold and we cut like this. Finish. Like a leaf. Then take a raffia again and cut until here. And we cut into two pieces like this. And take a glue and matches. And then put here and give the raffia. Like this. Don't forget to put the leaf. Give a glue first. Here. And then give a glue in here. And cut for this. And finish. And then take a vase or flower pot, but I use the glass that unused by me, so I use this for the vase. And take the flower and put here like this. And I will add the small stone. And finished. This is a flower from plastic shopping bag. This flower suitable for decoration on the table, and we can also take advantage of unused items such as plastic bag, so it will reduce the plastic waste. Hopefully this is useful for us. Thanks for watching, and the last I say, Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.